Yo, what's up, guys? This is Truck 234 here, and today I'm about to jump scare my friend with a impact train horn. Yeah, so here we go. Let's go get it. Wait, yeah, that okay. So here we go. Let's go ahead and do this. And three. Okay, this is gonna be funny. This is gonna be funny. Okay, all right, here we go.
You motherfucker.
Did it jump scare you?
You.
Get
Yes.
trained horn again. Get trained horn. Oh my god. How's your heart? How's your heart?
Good.
Did you feel like you almost pissed yourself? Uh, but nightmare.
Hmm?
Did you know that I'm recording this?
Oh, fuck you. Fuck you.
Alright, guys, that's all.
Not again.
Of course.